How to make a chocolate lava cake. A molten chocolate lava cake is one of the easiest desserts you can make. From start to finish, it only takes about 10 minutes. The outside is firm, containing a gooey chocolate molten lava core. I guarantee you'll absolutely love this recipe. You will need plain flour, white sugar, unsalted butter, baking chocolate, salt, eggs, berries, icing sugar, and a ramekin. Place your double boiler over low heat. Add 1 block of baking chocolate and 100 grams of unsalted butter. Continuously stir until smooth. Remove from heat. In a large mixer bowl, add 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt. On medium speed, mix until thoroughly combined. Add the chocolate mixture and 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix until thoroughly combined. Perfect. Coat your ramekin in butter and flour. This ensures that the lava cake doesn't get stuck. Carefully pour the mixture into the ramekin. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, fan forced. Place in the oven and bake for 8 minutes. Place a small plate over the top of the ramekin and carefully turn it over. Carefully remove the ramekin. The outside is firm and the inside That's overcooked. Pour the mixture into the ramekin. Bake for 7 minutes. The outside is firm and the inside contains a molten That's still overcooked. Bake for 5 minutes. That's still overcooked. Bake for 4 minutes. That's still overcooked. Bake for 3 minutes. That's still overcooked. 2 minutes. That's still overcooked. 1 minute. That's still overcooked. 40 seconds. That's still overcooked. 20 seconds. That's still overcooked. 10 seconds. Overcooked. 5 seconds. Overcooked. 4 seconds. Overcooked. 1 second. That's undercooked. 2 seconds. That's overcooked. Carefully remove the ramekin. The outside is firm and the inside contains a molten chocolate lava core. I bet you've never seen a better looking chocolate lava cake before in your entire life. Is your mouth watering as much as mine is right now? Don't take my word for it. Just look at it. What are you waiting for? Try this recipe out for yourself today. You won't regret it. Enjoy!